So today, guys, I want to show you my pets. They are nice and pretty, and some of my pets are everywhere. Here's my little puppy, Simba. Say hey, Simba. That's my little puppy, Simba, and Ducky. Hey, Simba, do you know where Tuki is? And LL. Oh yeah, so I found Tuki. She's over there. I have Tuki, Simba, and LL. But I can't find LL. So now I'm just missing one pet. And then today feels good outside, but come on, Tuki. Hi, girl. Simba's down on the porch. Okay. Come on, Tuki. Come on, girl. Okay, so I found Tuki. I want to show you Simba. Come here. That's Simba. And hey, Tuki. Hey, girl. Simba. Now I can't find LL. Yeah, and this is my house. I go around slow. And they like to run around with each other. And I can't find LL. One time he was in my dad's car. Sometimes he's under the house. Oh. Was that you, LL? This is my mom's car. It's my dad's car. That's my uncle's car over there. But we don't all live together. My uncle doesn't live with us. He lives down the road, but he brings his car over here and switches it out. Sometimes when he's going to pick up his girlfriend, he rides the red car. And when he's just normal, he rides the black car. Not those two cars, but I'm talking about, like, he has two cars back there. He's in the black one right now. And we have a trampoline. Yeah, and we had a bad storm, and we had the tree knocked over. By the way, guys, this is 2020. Comment down below and tell me when you're done. And Simba, come here. I want to show you something. You better get out. This is my little dog, Simba. I love him. It's a he too. And Tuki. And why are you out here with no shoes on? And Tuki's right over there. And my cats. I still can't find my cat. But where's our cat? Yeah, where's the cat? Here's my brother Noah.
I'm naked.
He has no shirt on right now. But we're outside right now, and yep, if you're saying what's happened to your hair, yeah, I just woke up. And it is 12:26, and I just woke up, and here's my mom's car. And
I just got cool soft gloves.
And again, I have Simba, like off the Lion King. I have LL, wherever he is. And then I have Pepsi, like the soda. Well, all of them are named after somebody. Pepsi named after the soda. Simba's named after, like, the Lion King. And then LL is a person that my dad likes, so that's why we have the cat. We have 2 dogs and 1 cat. And we were thinking of getting another dog, but I don't think we are because we already have 3 pets. And let me see where the cat is. Is the cat over here? LL! Hey, kitty! So I found the cat, guys.
You found the cat tree?
Right there.
Where?
He's in the bush. And that's my cat. That's LL. So I found all my pets.
Go.
And this is great because now I know all my babies are. So what's today? Today is...
Saturday.
No.
Monday.
Today is Sunday.
Sunday.
So tomorrow we have to go back to school. And I'm going to make as many videos as I can before we have to go back to school tomorrow. So tomorrow when I'm on the bus, because I got to be elementary. And I live in Bailey, so. And I have a math problem for you people. So, if you can figure this out, I will give you $100. Because my family is rich. See, that's why we got these beautiful dogs. Can you figure out 100,060 million divided by 25? And if you can figure that out, you will get $100,000. Comment down if you know it. Okay, so my brother and my dog just went in the house, and he just heard the little puppy, so now I have 2 pets out here with me. They're chilling. I'm gonna go change clothes because it's not summer out here, but it feels like it. But I'm gonna change clothes on someone day if I can come outside right now. So, bye. See you next time.